In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Apollo.io support. Whether you are facing an issue or simply have a question, reaching out to support is sometimes necessary to get the assistance you need. Let's go through the step-by-step process to ensure you can contact Apollo.io. Support with ease. First, open your web browser and navigate to the website apollo.io. You can do this by typing apollo.io into the address bar and hitting enter. This will take you to the homepage of apollo.io. Once you arrive at the website, you will need to log into your account to access the support services. Look for the login button, which is typically found at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on this button and enter your login details to proceed to your account. After logging in, you're now on your apollo.io dashboard. Here, we'll continue to the support section. To find support, look for the question mark icon often found at the lower corner of your screen. This icon is the gateway to help and support options available directly from the apollo.io dashboard. Clicking the question mark will open a menu where one of the options should be Talk to Support. Go ahead and click on Talk to Support to begin the process of reaching out to the apollo.io support team. This will usually open a chat interface or support form where you can initiate your inquiry. Once you have access to the chat box or form, it's time to send a message. When composing your message, be clear and concise about your issue or question. Include all relevant information that might help the support team understand and resolve your query more efficiently. This might include describing the problem, noting any error messages, or detailing steps you've already taken. The more precise you are, the better they'll be able to assist you. After writing your message, double-check everything for clarity and completeness, then go ahead and click the Send button. From there, the apollo.io support team will receive your message and typically respond within a reasonable time frame. It might take a few minutes or a couple of hours, so patience is key. And there you have it, a straightforward method to contact apollo.io support. Remember, being clear and thorough when sending your support requests will likely lead to a quicker and more effective response. Thank you for joining me today, and hopefully this guide has made the process of contacting support a bit less daunting. If you found this video helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit. Until next time, take care.